Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to an update actually on Orbs. Because I covered this, I think 2 days ago or something, and since then, then it was very bullish. That was on Sunday, and I was also in a position which I have a funny story about. But all right, that's for later. So I was in a position, and since then it has been very bullish again. So a listing was announced on Binance, at least for the futures. So that usually causes some bullish momentum. Orbs 100% is also manipulated. I mean, look at these moves. And we also see, or at least what we have seen, is that it was transacted a lot by DWF, wow, labs. Which transacted quite a lot of orbs over the last couple of days. It brought a lot to exchanges, etc. And usually, and I'm not saying how that's possible, but usually the coins that they transact actually rally quite a lot. That also happened with Lever. Now it's happening with Orbs. And that's also why I was in a long position from down here. Rallied quite a bit, took a lot of profit right here around 5 cents. And then it got back to entry, and my stop loss was at entry, all right? Because usually if I take profits, I put my stop loss at entry, and then the trade is secured. So yeah, it hit entry, and then it started rallying again. That's sometimes what happens. Like I said, I took most of my profits already, but I could have made a bit more. But all right, so the biggest thing about Orbs is, like, you could have known that this would rally, and the biggest way in which you could have known is because it was being transacted by DWF Labs, which I would recommend you to always follow. You can just go to Arkham Intelligence, which is ARKHAM, and then look up DWF Labs right here, and you can see all of their transactions, all right? So they transacted a lot of orbs. I would just recommend you to check all the cryptos they transact. So then it started breaking out, got a major bullish breakout, open interest went up a lot, so there was a lot of momentum with orbs. And that's why it's now where it's at. Now, the biggest question then is, well, can it actually continue? And what we're seeing right now is that the open interest has decreased a little bit, but the volume is still going up. And the open interest after decreasing is also increasing again with a couple of percentages. So that's interesting. And that does mean that it can continue. The thing though is, is that I think the most important thing right now is the technicals, all right? Because what happened is that Orbs spiked up to this major resistance level. You can see that with all of the different Fibonacci extensions there, which looks very messy, I know, but trust me, Fibonacci extension levels work very, very well in crypto trading. You can also see that it was respected there, around 6 cents. That was the main resistance level, and that actually caused it to drop down below 5 cents again. So in my eyes, like you can see this key level right here. The main level it needs to break above again is probably around 5.2 cents. And that is what we'll see. All right, because Orbs, I would say with the next 2 candles, needs to break above 5.2 cents. If it's able to do that, that's bullish confirmation, and then it will probably get up towards 6 cents again with a good opportunity to get to the next price target, which is 7 cents. Again, psychological level and Fibonacci extension. But whether it will get there depends a bit on how it reacts to 6 cents. Like if it barely finds resistance there, it will continue. If it from that level finds a lot of resistance again and drops down below 5.2 cents again, then that's probably it. So that's the main thing to watch. And I cannot, like, it's impossible to say, like, I do think it's most likely that Orbs will continue up to 6 cents again, and then depending on the resistance, get up towards 7 cents. I think that's the most likely scenario. So if you want my thoughts, then there's that. But you need to wait for confirmation, or at least I think that's the best. Because if Orbs does not break above 5.2 cents with this candle, and it drops down below its support, below 4.7 and 4.5 cents, it's over. And both of these scenarios are equally realistic. All right, they're both realistic. I just think it's more likely that it will continue rallying. Most important thing is be careful, all right? Trade responsibly. It's very manipulated. It's very volatile, so you can lose a lot of money very quickly. Obviously, you can also win a lot of money quickly, but be careful, all right? Those are my thoughts on Orbs. Apart from that, if you wanted to receive that trade from down here that you could have actually caught part of this rally at least, consider joining my premium group slash signal group, in which I share my own trades. That was one of my trades. You also learn how to find cryptos like that. Links will be down in the description to join. For now, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.